Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to kick someone from your private server in Roblox. Now, if somebody joined your game, but you don't want them to be playing that game, you wanted to remove one person or everybody from your private server, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, or go to roblox.com if you're on your computer. Let's navigate to your servers by tapping on More at the bottom right. Scrolling down, tap on Inventory, tap on Category Accessories, scroll down, tap on Private Servers. This will show you all of your private servers. Let me just tap on this one in the center. Let's get to the private server by scrolling down, tapping on Servers at the bottom, and there is My Private Server. They're going to see three dots at the top right. Tap on those three dots at the top right. Tap on Configure, and you have a couple options. One, turn off Allow Joining. Another option you have is to turn off Friends Allowed. Now, if there's one member that is on your server that you wanted to kick off, you'll be able to see them next to server members. You'll see a little minus sign next to that person. Just tap on that minus sign and it will kick them out of your private server. If you don't want them joining back again, I would recommend turning off Allow Joining. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.